good?
Starting at point guard number 24. Downfall.
No.
Starting at shooting guard number 4. Samuel Huntley. Good afternoon, bro. What time
Guess
is
we
it
just
there?
running a 2-man rotation, bro.
Starting at small forward, Sherry Valley.
Yeah, morning.
What up? 12:33. Damn. What time is it there? That's like, I don't know what time that is, bro. Damn. Guys, looking at GG buys here, and looking for buys as we speak. Looking at buys as we speak. Expecting us to tap this target today easily. Looking like TP's gonna be around 137, 140. Eventually 137, 900. About 138. About time. I'm looking to get buys in right now. I'm getting a buy here, guys. Stops are gonna be about current candle 10 pips. 1 hour candle low 10 pips, right? And TP is about, there it is, 50 pips. Look left on this trade, guys. Bro, I just wish like this is a little bit more. I wish I can see the full chart on a 30-minute without having to like scroll left like this. Kind of annoying. Here, let me drop my levels. Yo, I'm already in GG buys. Nice, bro. Yeah, GG is bullish. Still bullish as we speak. Very it's gonna probably tap 137, 140 today. Next targets, as mentioned on Sunday's analysis. How do I do this? Get 30-minute. I was gonna do something here. This is the best way to go about it. To draw this, scroll across, send it, go across, send it, go across, send it, go across, send it, go across. Damn, how far am I gonna go across? There it is. Currently we're breaking these levels here. You can see that we're breaking these levels, and we're approaching the next level. This is clean traffic. Look left. This is clean traffic moves on GJ. Oh man, I gotta scroll far back on a 1 hour time frame, man. But clean traffic, yeah. Person working midnights. Oh damn, bro.
I'm gonna wait like a little bit.
Yeah, guys. If to clean traffic on GJ here, if it's not gonna be 131, 140, you have a lot of advantages though. You can move stops entry at like 136, 700, 138, 800, 136, 800. You can move take 10 pips there. 137 alone. Like you have so many areas where you can just take advantage of today and just take partials. Either close half to whatever. But yeah, guys, I'm in buys here. 10 pip stop loss on this trade. And yeah, because the first the new hourly open, right? The first hourly closed bullish, so meaning that we broke out of this area of resistance here. So if this level broke out, and now we're breaking above that resistance, going to the next level, and the first 30-minute close of the new hourly candle, probably shouldn't come back down to break that low if it wants to drive up here. So some of my stops are 30-minute lows here. But yeah, stops are pretty tight, not even bad. 10, 11 pips. Not bad at all. But I think if GJ breaks the 15-minute lows, I may close the position and look for buys if it breaks these highs again, because that just means that we might not be able to push up on this candle here. So yeah, GJ is breaking the 15-minute lows, guys. And I'm gonna get out here at 5 pips. Actually, no, it hasn't broke yet. It's gonna be about 6 pips here if it does break the low. But yeah, if it breaks the 15-minute low, I just seen this. Yeah, it just broke it. I'm getting out here, guys, at 6 pips, and I'm gonna look for buys once it comes back to break these highs again. Because now that if it's breaking a 15-minute low, it just shows us that okay, maybe price is not ready to come up yet because it's breaking structure, so it has a high chance of coming down to the 30-minute low. So I'm gonna get out here and wait for just kind of flip bullish and break these highs again, more buys again. If it were to respect this low, if it doesn't respect the 30-minute low, I'm not gonna look for buys, at all, just yet. So yeah, guys, got out here.
Yeah, like I might need to make a support around like 136 400
Yeah.
or
Let's
like
see.
even 136 500.
I mean, I'm expecting it to break the 30-minute low if it wants to drive up here. See. If it doesn't respect
You're
it,
expecting it to break the.
if it breaks
you mean to
that,
not break it?
no, yeah, I'm not expecting it to break it, but if it were to break the 30-minute low here, we're probably gonna drive back down here to 137 or 136 450 level, meet that support, and then see what happens from there. Because right now what we have is we have this. I guess if this low does breaks, guys, we could draw this across the map. 136 dot resistance there, and you have that nice range that was just formed there. Let's see.
Yeah,
I'm
this
not-
is like a pretty crucial area.
Yeah, pretty crucial area.
It's like the daily wicks. Yeah, it's hella clean traffic going up, so should be able to get plenty of opportunities.
Okay, that's clean. Yeah.
Man,
Because if not now that you have this data, guys. Now that you have this data, you have that resistance formed, and if GG does break this low, it's probably gonna do something like this. You know, this. Then eventually make that range, and then you have this range now. That's all you gotta do after is wait for a bullish candle closure support, go back up to retest the highs, or wait for a breakout of this candle high like this, and eventually pop for it up. So let's see. Yeah, let's see if this 30-minute holds out. This 30-minute candle is very critical, very crucial. But targets are still the same. I'm still bullish today. Either way. The only way I'll stop looking for buys is if 134, 136, 400 level breaks. If 400 level breaks, we're probably gonna pop back down to like 136, 450, and you kind of say, okay, maybe we're not ready to go up to 137, 140 today, and it might be like Monday, next tomorrow or something. But if GJ wants to hit 138 this week, it has to really pop off today to like 137 minimum. Because we've been saying 138 for how long now, you know? So like for us to actually tap that target, we need that actual like closures above certain levels. Because if we close like 136 today, how are we gonna go to 138 tomorrow? Unless you have a very nice big bull run day tomorrow on Friday, but I doubt it. So we're gonna need that to happen today.
man, there hasn't been much volume for Asian session recently.
Asians, yeah, but this week's been pretty dead.
Yeah.
But GG alone too has been breaking a lot of highs and lows this week. I don't know if you noticed.
Yeah.
It hasn't like respecting like certain highs and levels. Whereas on this 15-minute time frame with the volume that's in right now, it actually broke the 15-minute low, which I'm actually surprised. But let's see. If the 30-minute breaks the low, then imagine that 1 week.
Man, the
My
cleanest
biggest trade
buys
this week
were,
was like a 26 pip move, literally, bro.
yesterday, right?
Yeah, that was my biggest trade of the week. Like every other trade was like This week was just like 10 pips. Runners were like kind of trash this week. They didn't really go through.
Yeah, you can't really. Yeah, runners weren't that good this week.
I think on Monday, Tuesday, I just closed at 10 pips. I didn't leave a runner. One of the trades. I think it was Tuesday.
We are pushing up though, like on the weekly to fill that range.
Yeah. HG just still bullish. Hella bullish, bro.
Like this is the last like daily resistance until that weekly target. So
Yep.
let's see.
We clearly just literally broke the highs here. Fill the wicks. Should continue up here. Didn't it retest the highs on like Monday or something? Hold on. 27. No, it didn't. I don't know. That was last week. It was last Thursday. Yeah, just look at the weekly, guys. 138, like 900 should get tapped eventually. It's a matter of time, you know. A matter of time. So I'm gonna look for buys. Yeah, above like 136, 625 level. This is like the perfect. It's pretty clean, the range. It's pretty clean that what we're making right now. So it's not bad. See, 30 minute respecting the lows here. 15 broke the lows. 30 minute respecting the lows. See. Ooh, flipping my bullish here. Where's the boy Jimmy at?
50-minute block close bullish.
Ooh, 15 close. About close bullish here. I'm not getting more buys here, guys. Second attempt here at buys. In 20 seconds. 8 seconds. First Steam entry had literally.
That candle's ugly. You're gonna buy?
No, I'm gonna wait for this to break the highs here. At 136.661. That kind of high. I'm getting buys.
Such
I think I'm gonna move.
Candle, bro.
Yeah, buys doesn't look like this, kinda. Yep. Above here. Lovely. That'll be lovely. Yeah, like 15 close with no top wick. I guess 30 minute, but like then again, like the 30 minute 1 hour is still open. You know what I mean? So it's like whenever I see like whenever I see like the 15 minute or something that has no top wick, and a 1 hour and 30 minute still open, it kind of just like, I guess like that the 1 hour and 30 minute cancels out, cause like the 1 hour is still going up here.
No, for sure, yeah.
So I'm really looking.
But it's like,
the tone when it's like the last like if it's like an hourly candle where it's really like, it really bothers me. See, I have buy stops there.
Yeah, it's like it depends like heavily. I'd say like
Yeah.
varies a lot.
Man. Gold already tapped fucking 1980s. Came back in the range though.
Yeah.
Gold is looking like it's not continuing to come back down here, guys. Buys were called yesterday.
Yeah.
During the thing. So 1980 above 1965. And right now looking at it, we should continue to pop down if this is a fake out. I'm expecting maybe like these levels down here at 130, 1932. That level should get tapped. Because if you look at gold, we have these important levels here. Price broke out of the range here. This kind of broke out of the range. And now these candles are coming back in the range. Filled it, right? So this is a fake out. So this is a fake out. We should continue down here. 85% chance of filling it, and 75% chance of continuing down to the next support, which is at a logical target at 1930. You know, yeah. Like it's okay to like sell gold. Like it's just depends on where your target is. You know, the issue comes, like I said on my story, is when people have like non-logical targets. For example, calling targets down to like 1700, 1800, when it doesn't make any sense at all. That's the issue. But if you're looking for like sells during this time on gold, it depends on your where's TP, you know, where's your stop loss, if the trade makes sense. So yeah, sells for gold would be a below like these levels here. Below 1947, coming down to like 1930 would be sells. Did Juju's about break the highs again?
Gold might have its first bearish daily
Yeah,
candle
yeah.
in time.
I'm gonna break the daily lows here. Yeah. Ooh, going buys here. Finally. Alright. Stops are 14 pips. TP is gonna be 47 pips. At 136. Is it 662? TP. Stop loss is cool. Record. There we go. Yeah, so second attempt at buys here. You know, we're breaking the highs this time. 1 hour broke the highs. Look left, clean traffic on GJ. We have formed this ranger. We're breaking that above this resistance level, and I'm expecting us to continue up here to 137, 134 as long as we respect 136.514. That level has to get respected. Yeah, look left, guys. On the 4 hour time frame, GJ is clean. If you just focus on this part right here, just take a focus on this clean traffic coming in this ranger. Everybody else knows every time price comes back in the ranger. Between this and this, what do you notice? It's all clean. It always taps the top of the ranger. So I'm saying 137, 140 here, and that's exactly where the daily time frame resistance is as well. The first amount of resistance on daily time frame. If you look left, it's gonna be 137, 140. Right? Look left right there. At their next targets is gonna be 137, 900, which is around 138. After that, it's gonna be up here. Let's see where it wants to go today. Because, you know, GJ could run up to 138, 840 today if it has a lot of momentum. But be very logical and be very safe. I think 137, 140 is a very safe target today. Damn, bro. First live stream in like weeks. For you.
What?
First live stream in weeks for
yeah,
you.
Bro. Spend some time. No, I was on like 2 days ago. I was on the day before yesterday.
You were?
It's like a every other day thing now. Bro, it's so weird. I slept for 13 hours last night.
No alarm or what?
Like, yeah, I set all my alarms, and I guess I don't understand my alarms, bro.
You need to buy a new. This is what you gotta do, bro. You gotta put an alarm. You gotta put it across your room. And when you get up in the morning, like whenever it alarms, it rings. You have to get up and actually tap it, turn it off.
No facts, but I never even woke up, like, you know.
Bruh. Bro, you need to put like put on your like TV monitor or something, bro. So your
Like
dad,
sometimes the iPhone will hit, sometimes it won't.
your ringer has
So
to be
weird.
on. Oh, yeah, your ringer has no, it doesn't have to
Yeah,
be
I
on.
know, bro. I noticed.
The sound has to be on.
Yeah, I know, bro. I noticed.
136, 750. Yeah, that's like 10 pips, I think, right? Yeah, probably gonna put when price gets to like look left. When price gets to like I think around these levels here, around this level. Probably gonna move my stops entry from there. Um, and then that's like 14 pips though. So yeah, like it's pretty clean. So if not 137, 140, like we can secure 14 pips here at 136, 796 here. So we have a lot of advantages here in this on this trade. A lot of advantages. 14 pips is the next like literally the next minor resistance. So that's very clean traffic. And then after that, it's gonna be like targeting these levels at 136, 966. So even higher, 30 pips, and then eventually 40 pips. So yeah, probably what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably move stops to entry when it's like around 136, 790, and close half there, and let the runner go to 137, 140. Be a risk-free trade today. You guys wanna see you guys should fasten your seatbelts and prepare for a liftoff here as GG is approaching. And as GG is taking off here. Had buy stops here, got activated, got in, and we're in buys your stops for 14 pips. Asian session was so dead, like you know, like the answers I gave yesterday was just like, yeah, guys, I'm not really trading Asian today. It's kind of
Yeah.
hella dead.
When it looks like that, yeah.
It's just hella
can't
dead.
trade it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was. Asian session was a murder.
I'm in profit here. 3
I'm gonna wait
pips.
for this
I'm
hour.
gonna 3 pips in one pip in profit here, guys. I'm gonna close half here. You're gonna go over. Man, imagine, bro, just catching one pip and dipping, bro. Like,
Hey, bro.
I feel like this, like your commissions, it's not even enough for your commissions at one pip. Actually, no, it is.
1 pip?
Actually, no, it's not. It's not. It's not. It's like
I don't think
about
it is.
about like break even ish, like 1 or 2, 1.5 pips. But spreads too, bro. Like, yeah, one pip's like, you're not making shit. Hourly counts on close in 6 minutes. Yeah, it is. So stops are the current hourly low, anyways, right? So even if G decides to go up here, we shouldn't break that low if we want to go up. Cause our stops are pretty good. We have pretty good stops here. It's hourly low. It's at the middle of the candle, so we don't have to worry about anything, right? You can just show up the stop loss here, and you can see that as long as price respects this low, we should be able to push up to this target. But if you break that low, buys are not valid anymore, and we know that we're gonna come back down the range here and eventually continue further down for a little bit. It's you or Jimmy. One of you guys show up. It's never at the same time.
Yeah, facts.
It's been rare still. Oh, users on pump down here.
Facts.
It's been pretty rare still. Not gonna lie. Been pretty rare. Yeah, the US30 runner yesterday signed the free channel got off the entry here. Oh, it was a long trade, bro. Users on pump down here. Broke the 1 hour lows there.
GJ just has nowhere to go, but up right now.
Yeah, literally nowhere to go but up. Wait, so what were you gonna wait for? The hourly candle close? I
Yeah,
forgot
so
what you
we're
said.
hourly.
Yeah, it should be clean. I wanna make some coffee, bro. I need some coffee, man. Shan, share your mic, bro. Oh Lord.
Oh,
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, you know. Is my audio okay? I haven't checked it this morning. It is. Audio's pretty fine here. I hope this 1 hour candle does pull back a little bit though, because it needs a top wick for our next candle to drive up. I'll be a bit worried if this candle has no top wick. I'll probably move my stops entry right away if it has no top wick. I'll take the risk of it hitting entry, because I need this hourly to really pull down a little bit. Just a little wick is fine, you know. Because if it candle has no top wick, it just means that the next candle has no range to go up. But Stan pips some profit here.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Ooh, driving here, guys. We are pushing here on this trade. We are pushing here. Let's see, hourly's gonna close in 34 seconds here. About 8 pips. Can I get 10 pips in profit for the hourly closes? Can I get one more pip? Can I get 10 pips? 10 pips. There it is, guys. I'm moving my stops entries. And I'm gonna I'm gonna close here, half here at 13 pips, and I'm gonna leave a runner going till 137, 134. So there you guys have it. Risk free trade. Good stuff, guys. Closing half here at 14 pips, leaving runner until TP. Bro, brother, DJ just flew the last candle. The last couple seconds here. I feel like if you get in, your stops will be like a little bit too big here.
No,
Unless you put the current candle. If GG breaks the highs, what's next? What are your chances of it hitting entry here? Our entry is like kind of like the middle of a candle here. It's not like the bottom. Preferably, I want entry down here, obviously, but we can't have the entry in this scenario. So it's gonna be the middle of the hourly candle. So let's see. GG could hit their entry again. Who knows? It's not like it's price should respect this low if it wants to drive up. So price can literally retrace all it wants to as long as it respects this low. So our entry could get tapped here. But once it kind of flips bullish, guys, we should be good to go. So TP. Trade taken. Trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 6 pips. Trade 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 4, 14 pips. What time was the first trade at? Let me check. If you guys took that trade, leave a like on the stream. You know, support the homie, support the boy. You know, free pips out here, free breakdowns, live analysis, live trades. You can't make this stuff up, guys. You can't. 48 people watching right now. Just made 48 people money. So yeah, should leave a like there, guys.
Man, GJ.
Hey, flip bullish here. Very nice. Yeah, I think you can post the current candle, Sam. Are you gonna do that?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're to put this to play here, I think. Okay, the first show was taken at 6:33. 6:33. 6:33 Eastern. And second trade was at around 6:48. 6:48 EM Eastern. Nice. So first trade closed early, you know, because price broke the lows. You gotta think to yourself, what are you gonna do majority of the times when price breaks certain lows, right? So I closed it there. And then the second trade, 14 pips. So we pretty much we're up to about 8 pips. Not bad. Runner's still going though, so we potentially 47 pips there. Let's see. This is as long as we survive our entry, we should be good to go, guys. Okay, from the bottom down below. Early morning. I think Jimmy's gonna start streaming soon.
Yeah, see.
I don't know where is he. I wanna ask him, bro. Where is this guy? I'm gonna ask him about it.
FX.
Jimbo FX. Intro's pretty clean though. This guy's on some Trail Monty shit. Literally EDM fam. That's some like literally Forex music, Forex marketing music. Like those, you can just imagine it. Like that song goes well with like those Lamborghini cars and shit. Yeah.
It's top on GJ.
Oh, you're.
That was kind of a stupid entry.
Nah, it's
It was alright. It was just
it's
the
like
way the 1 hour closed.
you
It's
took it
like,
before
yeah, I've taken that plenty of times before.
and it played out, no?
But when the market was more volatile.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah, that was like back in March.
Yeah.
I don't know. GG is pretty volatile right now. Pretty volatile. I feel like the safest entries, like regarding to like your stop loss being safe, was we're kind of here, like already low. So that's where my stop was for this trade, and then maybe you could have just wait for the 15 to close and buys above there, stops current candle. That would be our thing. But then again, like you know, you wouldn't have expected this kind of flip back bearish after. So. One time Jimmy G just had 145. I need some coffee, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna boil some water, bro. You can hold down for like a couple minutes.
Yeah, I'll hold it down.
Alright, guys, number
What's good with y'all, boy?
The boy Sam FX is gonna hold down for a little bit. Re-entry? No re-entry just yet. This is a very risky re-entry if you're looking for any re-entries right now. Very risky. I'll wait for his kind of flip or something. Or break the highs in 15 minutes. But hold on guys, I'm gonna boil some water. Give me like 2 seconds. Like literally 2 minutes. Alright, I'm back. I'm back, guys. You sound did you sleep last night, bro?
Nah, bro. I would never even got like I'm not even tired.
You're gonna get tired in a bit. In a couple hours. For like 9 or some shit, it might hit you.
Nah, like in an hour, it'll
Yeah.
just hit.
It'll just go like, your eyes doesn't go boom, just around me.
Bruh.
Cause right now, I know you're on ADHD shit. Like, you're pretty like, I'm pretty sure right now you're pretty aware of everything. Like, you know, you're reacting pretty quick to everything.
Yeah.
It's about 14 pips, right? Yeah, it's about 14 pips. You're blessed. Yeah, GJ, bro, it was literally like the last like 10 seconds it just shot up. I wasn't expecting it to shoot that high to that target. I was like, all of a sudden just went. I think for next month, bro, I'm gonna try a month without runners. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna test it out.
Yeah, you should try it.
Cause like I always leave runners, right? Majority of the times, like probably like 80% of my trades I leave runner. But next month I'm gonna attempt no runner. See how it is. Just take 10 pips and dip every time.
Yeah, just see if you have a better month.
Yeah, cause I wanna see. Well, this month it was whatever right away. June, I'm gonna compare to June, cause June I took a lot of runners and the runners played out in June. So I'm gonna see if I
Yeah,
take.
the runners like it has to be but it also has to be like the right like market conditions. I feel.
I feel like this trade has a potential runner. This type of trade.
Yeah.
This is like a runner trade, yeah. Yeah, it has to be the right. I know what you mean. Yeah. Like I'm gonna work on like I'm trying to work on right now is just like focus on my runners, like when to leave them, when not to leave them. I feel like half the time I leave them, it's just like it doesn't make any sense. In this case, it does though. In this case, daytime frame showing, you know, huge movements to 137, 140. So, like, I'm tempted runner here. But runners, guys, you can't control them. Literally, it's literally you put stops entry, and you can't control whether price will hit your entry or not. It just goes either way. It's either your TP or your entry. But the good part is you close like half, or close whatever X amount. This week all runners hit entry. Yeah, all runners hit entry this week. Except for that trade yesterday I had. Actually, no, that wasn't even a runner. I didn't even leave a runner there. I just took 27 pips. I didn't leave close at 10 pips or anything. I just let it run. It's a pretty big trade for me. But yeah, runners haven't been waved this week. Not gonna lie. No more lacking down this week. This weekend, here's the plan, guys. That's what you guys the plan. So here's the plan. Here's the plan. This weekend, we're gonna do new YouTube video. I don't know. I think it was like top 10 questions. Right? I get asked, and then once we hit, I was gonna do a giveaway this next week. But I'm gonna delay it because I'm do once we hit 1K subs, I'll do the giveaway there for the course again. So they went at like I think how many subs did we have last time, bro? Do you remember? When I did the giveaway.
I have no idea.
I think it was like 600 or something. Hold on, let me go back in time. That giveaway we had. June 5th. I think it was like 500, 400 subs at the time. Damn, that's fucking. We grew after that. June 5th. How did I check subs within the month? Let's see. June 5th. June 5th. June 5th, we had. Can I go back further? See 4 months. Kids. Yeah, it was around like 400 subs. We've been pushing.
I'm in another buy on GJ. Last attempt.
Yeah, and I think now it make 15 broke the highs, right? Yeah, this will make sense. What's your stop though? 15 minute low or 1 hour low?
15 mil.
Yeah. So apparently, according to this online website here, Social Blade, apparently Control FX is estimated to have 4.3k subs by the end of the year. That's like June, July, August, September,
Damn.
October, November. I think by December we could hit like maybe 2K, 3K.
Bro,
Let's
we
see.
could hit
That's
10K.
bro. Something can pop off. Who knows? Yeah, cause
Deadass.
you know, new vibes. You know the vibes. Yeah, bro. I think it's been growing pretty quick though. Okay.
Yeah, very quick. Probably quicker than when Roger first started.
I think so. Yeah. So,
GJ, nice.
nice. Very nice. Guys, if you guys took the trade, leave a like. I want to see those likes, guys. About 45 viewers right now, 50 viewers. I want at least 20 likes. I mean, at least 30 likes. I think we can hit 30 likes. You know, if you can enter a trade, I'm pretty sure you can leave a like on the screen. 20% profit right now. No. I think I'll move my stops, guys, to my runner. So here, stops to 136, 731 at the 1 hour low. So we secure 7 pips on the runner no matter what. Oh, someone just said it. Can we move stops entry to current candle low? Yeah, I'll do that right now. Hourly low. Because if it breaks that low, it's probably going to continue down further, right? So it makes sense. GG is pushing, man. Holy shit. Moving runner,
Yeah, pushing nicely.
stop loss to profit at 136. Plus of matter what? Learn everything from y'all. Yeah, bro. I can see, bro. Yeah, you're doing pretty good with the management part. All that is, guys. Trade is all about your trading. Forex is all about the way you manage trades. That's literally all that is. That's the most important part. Entering, exiting, that's easy. Managing is tells the difference though. Between this trader and that other trader. Cause one could cash 20 pips, the other can cash 20 pips, but if one secured 10 pips and the other didn't secure anything and hits their entry, who's gonna win at the end of the day? The guy who secured 10 pips, right? But let's say the other guy, for example, for instance, he didn't secure 10 pips. He lets it run for his TP at 50 pips, and the other guy closed at 10 pips and let the runner go 50 pips. Obviously, the guy who let the full position run, made more in that scenario, right? But think long term. How often is your trader gonna hit TP before it hits your entry? Especially big targets like this, like 50 pips, you know? Majority of times, it has a higher chance of hitting your entries than hitting your TP level. So that's why I think securing 10 pips every time is the most efficient way in trading. Me personally, this is me. Like, whatever you guys say, whatever it is, but do whatever works for you guys, right? But for me, this is why I secure 10 pips all the time, because I've been trading long enough to know what worked for me and what didn't work for me. Start from the bottom, down below.
Nice.
You're in profit, right? 10 pips set?
9 pips or 8 pips.
Nice.
My TP is 136, 930. Bro,
If
you haven't been on
possible,
Warzone recently, or
yeah, I've been on. If possible, can you do a live webinar on London time? Well, my friend, I am not a robot here. I am not a burden to a chart. I cannot do every session, you know. I'm based off New York time. This is the best training time for me. Most volatile at the same time. And yeah, I'm from Toronto, so I can't really be trading in London like that. That's at like 3 a.m. for me. I need some sleep. Because I'd much rather trade the London overlap with the New York opening for New York, which is right now, than just trade the London opening when the New York and London is more volatile for me. Or in general. I need some sleep, bro. I'm not a robot here, man. I'm human. You know, I know I took this trade here. I know you guys, some of you guys might be amazed, or some of you guys might just be, oh wow, it's just another trade. But you know, like I'm not a robot here. I'm pretty normal here. You know, I need some sleep. Choose your trade done for a day at 10 pips and use 30 cells. Use 500. This is US 30, right? Yeah, Sharif, is US 500 US 30? Pretty much the same thing, I swear. Pretty sure it's the same thing. Similar.
I closed full at 9 pips, so I'm blessed.
Bro, I never traded US 500 in my life.
US 500?
I don't know what that is, yeah. Are you close to 10 pips?
Yeah,
Nice.
9 pips, 9 pips, but
Pretty good. Last entry? Or you close to full?
I closed full.
Yeah. In scenarios like this, yeah. I think because you gotta like, I think it tapped the resistance, right? Did it?
Yeah.
136,
So
9.
little resistance here.
Oh no, it didn't yet.
136.
I think next resistance is 136, 959, 965. Like the next heavy one. Or at least like some minor one. This is like a minor one, I think.
Yeah.
There's no good live webinar in London time. That's why I'm requesting you guys. You can break down between London and NY, bro. This isn't London though, so you good. Oh damn, he dissing Monty. There's no good live webinar during London.
Bro, there's about to be one.
Yeah, FX Jimbo starting up very
FX
soon.
Jimbo, bro.
Don't know if he's gonna keep his word though. An hour and a half stream though. That's kind of short, bro. That's like 30-minute candles, bro. Think about it.
Yeah.
That's quick. That's like right now. I'll be
I feel
done.
like for London, like I don't know. Yeah, I guess London's kind of like same volatility as New York, but yeah, London really. I feel like that's when London really like makes.
I feel like if you're gonna stream London, you might as well stream in New York as well. It's like you gotta extend it to like New York overlap, like six,
York?
7. Yeah, I'm pretty. I think you have to do that. Cause half of London is just rangy. So here's how London works. From like 2 a.m. to like 4, you get the moves, and then from 4 to 5, 4 to 6 is kind of dead. And then from 6 to around 9, 10, it's kind of live again. But then after that, it's kind of dead after. After 11, it's obviously closed. But I feel like that's how London works. It works in like patches. Whereas New York is just like literally the most volatile session is 6:30 till like 11, 10. Or after that's dead. It's just one goal. But London is like broken to parts. Because if London never had the overlap with New York, it wouldn't be volatile around this time, obviously. Same with New York, because New York doesn't have an overlap after. It's done. After 4, it's by itself till 4. So there's no like Asian overlap or anything. So it's kind of just that's why it's not best to trade New York around like afternoon, like 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock. It's kind of dead after. It's different for London though.
Sometimes like just New York like during like 12 or 1 or whatever will be like more volume in the Asian session.
What's up? Say again.
Sometimes like New York in the afternoon, like before it closes, will be like more volume in the Asian session.
Yeah.
It's a weird odds.
Where is your TP, bro? My TP, bro, is at 137, 134, bro. Right here. That's my TP. Look at the top right of my screen. You see that little green thing? That's my TP. Stop loss is there, but it's at entry now, so that's why you don't see anything red. It's just all blue, all green. And yeah, entry was around 136,660. Closed half already. Leave my runner go. I think gonna close. Has to close bullish though for it to go up. Hold on, I'm gonna finish making my coffee. Hold on. Yo, I think Jimmy might have traded the London session last night. So sorry he's not here today.
Yeah.
I don't know, but every time he shows up,
Another little stream simulation.
every time he
I think GJ's gonna continue up.
I think so as well. It's just this 30-minute close is so weak, bullish, you know. At least it closed bullish though, so that's fine. But
if we break the 15-minute low, then
yeah.
should be some good like. Let's think about like weak candles like that, like.
Yeah, if it breaks
then it
it.
just has a high chance of breaking the low. Once it breaks the low, like there's a high chance that it'll just continue down.
Yeah, so guys, if GJ breaks this 50-minute low here, what's that I'm saying? We're probably gonna pop back down to like entry level. But it's a runner, right? So I don't really care what happens here. You kind of just gotta let it go. Thing about runner, guys, is if you're leaving a runner, you have to commit to it. Like you can't, like you can't keep closing partials. Leave the runner, TP or entry. That's what runners are for. Because one, you can't lose in a trade at all. You're literally secured profits already, and it's a risk your trade stops at entry. You can't lose on a trade. No matter what happens, you can't lose. So you just gotta let it run. Because when it runs, guys, that runner can make more than your actual position. So that's the thing about runners. But you have to commit. You can't just, because anything can happen. It could break the lows and come back up. Who knows? So that's what runners are for. Gotta commit.
Yo, Don, how did you get your VIP so popping, like without being like a Instagram presence or anything like that?
I was known on Telegram. I don't even know. It was last year.
You were just a Telegram demon.
I was a Telegram demon. Like everyone just knew me. Like everyone. Like bro, there's IMO groups out there, right? And this is a huge IMO group called Trade House. You know Bryce
Yeah.
Thompson, bro? Like that, yeah, whatever that guy. He makes churn 750, so 750K a month, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
Literally, I think someone mentioned me in that chat, and they literally blocked who they blocked the entire like everyone who just mentioned me. Like, yo, you guys heard about Control FX's Signals channel?
Why? Because you kept on like you.
I kept on
Oh.
promoting or people kept promoting my shit for me, or just yeah. I think that's why. So like, I'm pretty sure to get my shit popping again if I really want to. It would just have to be probably just a new like guess batch of people. Perhaps doing the same thing as last year again.
Yeah.
But like then again, like last year, just a lot of just like a lot of signals were just a majority like US 30 signals, and people just young traders just fell in love with that.
Yeah. Not
I
many got
tried with Monty, but he is not good as this gentleman. Monty talking too much about not learning anything. Maybe I'm slow learner and he is good, but not for me. Sorry, bro. Oh damn. I appreciate that, bro.
Monty's pretty good, but yeah.
Yeah, I never liked Monty. Like I never liked Monty streams as much as I liked their guy streams. Like I
Roger.
don't know. Maybe because I haven't been on it. I haven't been on it that much. The other guy's stream. I haven't
I
been
like
on it.
Monty's streams better than Roger's streams. That better than that guy.
I don't know, bro.
That
I haven't
guy's
watched a
streams.
full stream since like December, I think.
Yeah.
Last time I think I watched a full stream. But the other guy, like the other guy, that guy, I don't like that guy's stream at all. The other guy, like that guy over there, I don't like his stream at all, bro. But the other guy, the like right now
I
guy,
just like.
that guy is whatever. Like
I'll say he's bad
I like
trader,
his
but like
stream
I
better
literally
than
just like watch it to just like kind of like I don't know. It just like makes me laugh because like he gets like so emotional and shit.
he does.
Yeah. Like,
Oh
if he'll
my
lose a
god,
trade,
bro! Fuck, man, GG broke the laws.
no, like he'll just be like really sassy and shit.
He sounds sassy, bro. For
If he
these
loses,
guy,
if he,
he sounds sassy.
and like bro, the guys that he has in his streams are just idiots. Like
Yeah.
yeah.
Is you're talking about par, right? We are here for learning, not for another thing. Yep. Trading, having some fun here though. Thing about my streams compared to other streams, I think in this stream, get some more laughs in. Especially when Jimmy's
This
on.
is the most joke stream by far.
Yeah, like we can literally go from like just having fun to like just switch up right away to like, oh yeah, I'm in a trade here. That's a cool thing. Cause yeah, if you're just too serious, bro, it's just it doesn't feel right, bro. I can't take things like I can't do everything just straight up. Just like yeah, I'm gonna buy here, guys.
Truly some boring.
It's just so boring. It's like I'm gonna buy here, guys. TP there, stop last there, and just be quiet for the whole stream. Or you just be repetitively talking about that one trade the whole stream, and it's just like you gotta have some like, in between here and there.
Yeah, I feel like this stream might appeal more to like
yeah,
younger people.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, just like what we talk about and shit.
But hey, man, if you're on today's stream, you guys would have caught some pips here. If you're on another guy's stream, then maybe not yet. But every stream is profitable, I'm saying. And, you shouldn't be looking down on any other stream. Well, I don't look down on any other streamer like that. Every other streamer I've looked up to in the past, so gotta give respect to all of them. I'm not gonna say any names, but, the other guys. Is it 2 trades from this stream or the Asian session? The 2 trades is from this stream. As you can see, 14 pips on the screen.
I swear there was not one move for 14 pips during Asian.
Pretty rangy.
It was literally like a 8 pip range.
Yeah. Literally, it was like 14. Yeah, it was like around 8 pips. Yeah. Holy shit. Diamonds in the rough.
And gold should continue up to 1960.
Yep. Let's say gold's continuing up here. If this is the 30-minute low, 15-minute low, we should be able to push up easily here. Hi, bro. I took a trade and closed on Thursday, Andrew. Now I wanted to know how you saying it'll go to 37. Please explain. Yeah. So on this trade, you have many advantages. If you guys go back to when I entered, I mentioned how things about advantages. If you guys been in streams long enough, you guys know what advantages are. Advantages in the markets mean that if you look at the 1 hour time frame, obviously you have like on a 4 hour time frame, it's clean traffic. Look at GJ, clean traffic. Every time you have this range here from here, and every time you come back in that range, what happens? We fill that range to this target from this yellow line to this yellow line. We always fill it, right? So that's a 4 hour time frame. That's pretty clean. If you look at the 1 hour time frame, you have levels of resistance, minor resistance at, right? Let me show you guys. So look at the 1 hour time frame. We entered down here, right? And so this is our entry. Entry is somewhere down there. If you look left, there's traffic at this level, 137, 800. That's pretty much why I think that's why you got it, right? But I'm going off I'm basing this trade off a daily time from TP as well as a 4 hour TP, which is 137, 140. So on this trade, I have an advantage where I can move my, if I ever enter down here, I can move my stops to entry and close half at 136, 800 at that key minor resistance area, and then leave a runner coming up to 137, 140. Again, the 4 hour and daily is showing that's the next target. Look, if I show you the daily time frame, it'll make sense for you. Look, daily has nowhere else to go today but 137, 140. But it doesn't mean I'm gonna leave my full position going to that target. I obviously close like half my position. I'm leaving a runner now to that target. But yeah, 137, 140. Look left. GJ broke above these levels here. It broke above this range because this is the last level you had to worry about, this range here. So once it broke out of this range, where else does it have to go? Nowhere but up to 137, 140. And then eventually, it will eventually tap these other levels here. I think I mentioned on Sunday, 138. We're going to tap that this week. But for that to happen, we're going to need to tap, we're going to need to break 137, 140 today. But yeah, look left. That's the next target above these levels. And eventually you have this level. And then eventually you have this level. And eventually you have these levels. So GG is pretty bullish. We're going to tap this level eventually. It's just that there's steps to get there, you know. It might take a minute. But yeah, so my TP is there, bro.
Bro, where's Lockbin?
I don't know, bro.
This hasn't been active in like 2 days.
No, longer. He hasn't been on streams for a minute.
No, but like in the live stream chat even.
Lock, do you still trade?
Bro,
So where's stop loss? Yo, well, stop loss was this is the original trade here. The original trade was this. TP is up here, and stop loss was down here. 1 hour low, 14 pip stop loss. But now I moved my stops to entry. Why? Because like I mentioned, we had that advantage there, and I closed at 14 pips here, half. So I moved my stops to entry. It's a risk-free trade. That's why you see it like that. Every time you don't see any red here, it just means that it's a risk-free trade. Is this usually your best stream or is Asian better? I don't stream Asian. I do rarely, rare occasions, but I don't do it on a daily. So what do you think's better?
But New York as a session is better than Asian, so.
What's up?
New York as a session is better than
Yeah, in general it's better session. So
any New York stream's gonna be better.
yeah, New York stream's gonna be way better than Asian. Any New York stream's gonna be way better. There's not really, any best or anything, I do
Bro,
the same thing every session.
I wonder, like, yo, cause Lock shows like crazy ass stubs. But, like,
He doesn't really show
I
off.
wonder what type of L's he's taking. But
Well, I guess we'll never know. You know, I mean, I've seen him. I've seen him before in the past, but it's been a minute since he actually been. Cause like for me it's different. You actually see all my losses on the streams, literally.
Yeah.
Literally everything. It's like literally all my losses and wins. But yeah, I guess like I don't know. Like I mean, actually, you tell me your losses, so it's like you send your losses sometimes.
Yeah, I
Jim,
usually send,
Jimmy
like, the
Jimmy
trades on
says his
Facebook.
losses too. He's pretty honest about it. I don't know. Lock, yeah, he hasn't really shown us that shit. He hasn't
But
shown
he
us
says
losses.
that, but like I don't know. He said that like he was like he keeps his RR is always crazy. So like I'm just thinking that he's like losing like 90% of his like a lot of his trades.
Yeah, but the trades I hit just like kind of make up for it, right?
Just hit, yeah, like he had like 150% gold last week. Crazy.
Cherry Monte is an awesome trade, if not the best out of all the streamers. He uses a lot of streams. Streams better stuff. Yeah, like I said, all streamers are great. I never
That's
talked
facts.
down any streamer in my life. Every streamer has been great, and they are great. It's just some traders that don't watch. So actually, I don't even watch any streamers anymore. It's just, I mean, at this point, I don't think I have to watch any streams. If I have my own stream, it doesn't make sense for me to watch any stream. It's kind of like if I'm watching another stream, it's kind of like, why are you even streaming if you're watching another stream, you know? So.
What do you mean?
Alright, bro. I'm not gonna see. That's just gonna be like, well, because this guy doesn't know who this guy is, and this guy's like, oh, who's that? Oh, who's that? Da, 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 da. Well, sorry, there's no free promo, so I'm gonna have to delete that real quick. Where a whole talk goes on here, so.
No, I don't think that's what he was talking. I think he was talking about like the part where he said they're all good in their own rights.
No,
So,
I don't think he knows who he is. I thought you stream Asian for your members. No, we don't stream it. We just give signals in it.
rarely.
Rarely stream it. No, I don't stream it for my members. I don't have time like that, you know. Like even if I did have time, I wouldn't do it. Why? Because I would be over trading in a day. Like literally 3 hours per day or 2 hours for me. First personally, an hour and a half, 2 hours is well enough for me. If I spend that amount of hours in the charts in a day, that'll be fine for me. Because after that, I'll probably lose focus. So if I'm trading 2 full sessions and literally talking for 2 full sessions, I'll lose my mind. Just imagine, you know, because I talk a lot during the New York session. Just imagine a whole New York session. I'll lose my voice in a day, bro. I can't do that. It's different when you're playing games. Like if I were to stream Warzone or something, that's different. I can stream for literally 8 hours, bro. But like doing this stuff, this is a real like this is actual money, yo, and you're dealing with like real financial stuff, so it's a lot different. I can't stream for that long, twice a day. Man, not for me. Maybe some magical superhero could do it. I can't, bro. I guess my brain doesn't work for that long. I'm being
Right, you
honest.
start making like 24-hour trading week challenge.
Hell no, bro. I think those are just for freaking promotion.
Yeah.
Top
Bro,
100
like
companies.
watching like those clickbait videos of forex like where they actually like talk about trading, but like on YouTube,
Huh?
like so jokes.
What's up? Say again, my bad.
The do you see those like videos of guys like
The ads.
clickbait
The ads.
titles and shit?
Yeah, the ads.
What ads?
Oh, like the titles. Oh, clickbait titles. Yeah.
Like not like to the videos of like
Yeah.
these guys that
How
talk
I
about,
made
like
140k.
hyper scalping strategy,
Like yeah. It's like the most profitable strategy in the market. It's like yo, straight up, I'm gonna do it next, bro. The difference is, actually, he doesn't know the difference. Nah, I can literally clickbait my shit. If you guys watched my last video, here I'll show you guys. This video, guys, go watch it. Alright, so what's going on, guys? 10-minute video, yo. That's all you need. Well, this video has a lot of content, man. A lot of value. So go check it out, man. 400 views, you know, uploaded a month ago. How to read candles in Forex 2020. Literally just me breaking down like just one candle, highs and lows, and how to enter off of candles in certain scenarios. One move, right? But it's all similar, and that's how I get my daily. I'm trying to get, you know, high time frames, low time frames. It's on this video, but I'm gonna doing like a back to the basics type thing, like just a basics video. Probably like not soon though, but like soon type. Maybe like end of this year, maybe. It's gonna be a long video though. It's gonna be like around like 3-4 hours. 2-3-4 hours. It's gonna be on YouTube. Maybe like in December or something I'm gonna upload that. But the next video I'm just gonna be uploading like small videos until then. But until we get a larger fan base, a larger like group, I guess, subscribers, that's when I'm gonna upload the big videos. But as of right now, not yet. I don't think you guys are ready for that yet. Too much heat. Too much heat in there.
Yeah, see that I wanted part 2.
Yeah, I seen your comment, bro.
Part 2 is in the course, bro.
Or controlfx.com. Right here, guys. Alright, guys, we're gonna watch another streamer here. Yo, what if I move to Twitch? Honestly, I love Twitch, bro.
Bro, sign a deal with Twitch.
Facts. Contract.
Yeah, that's the volcano now.
I'm just gonna go ham, bro. I want you to keep my screen.
Yeah.
This guy is insane, bro. Like, yo, Sam, bro. Yeah, this guy, watching this guy, it made me better. You need
the PC guys just are different.
It hits different, right? It hits different.
Yeah. They just it's just you're just so much more spazzy when you're playing.
Yeah. You have more control of your movements. A lot more. But GJ is pushing here, guys. I think I'm gonna close another 25% of my profits at 30 pips and leave a runner so TP. Yeah, John Doe, I appreciate you, bro. You've been around for quite some months now, so I think a month and a half or 2 months here. So yeah, bro, keep you know, maybe you win the next giveaway. Who knows? It can be random. But the last giveaway was lit, bro. That wheel thing. I don't know why it made me nervous, bro, but yeah, it's gonna be another one. Probably next week. Or once we hit 1K subs. Yeah, guys, I'm closing another 25% of my profits here at 30 pips. Close another 25% of my profits here. Perfect. What a beautiful trade. What a beautiful trade.
That was nice. That was very nice.
So right now I closed 75% of my profits combined, and yeah, just gonna let the rest run. That's the max I usually close for runners is like usually 75. If I were to close another like position, it would be the 50 and then 25. That's it. I wouldn't go another like 10 or anything. Rarely. Gotta let my runners go, man. What a nice trade, man. God dang it. God dang it, man. What am I doing? Okay, so what a beautiful trade, my friend. Oh Lord. We're like 20 pips away from TP, I think. Yeah, we have some pips to go here, so let's see. We still have a long target to go. Do you think 138 this week will be good? Yeah, if you guys follow the free channel, or if you're in the VIP one, you guys will know that I sent a video on Asian analysis. Let me pull it up right now. What day was Monday, bro? Monday was 27. I mean, Sunday was 26. So it's 26. I guess no. I sent to the paid one only. Let's see. Patient. Did I do an Asian opening, bro? No, they had a live stream. That's why I didn't give an analysis. I did a live stream on Sunday opening. I think I mentioned it on stream. Let's check. Let's watch, guys. On stream, let's check. Sunday was this day. You can tell off the bat that intro was lit. I've never been so hyped for a stream in my life. This week, look. I can't even tell you where it's gonna go. Yeah. Here. Listen up. 138. So we actually closed the way we wanted to this week. Every morning when you guys come to streams tired, you know, you guys might not want to trade. Man, look at GJ.
If it flips,
Yep.
oh boy.
Yep. Right on.
It's
It's
a
a
Sunday
stream. If you guys look at GJ closely, just looking at this alone, like this is the weekly time frame. You have this support that was made last week. You see how this bullish candle right here closed bullish, nice wick fill, but it also closed above these candles, showing us signs that we're closing above this resistance, and we should be able to come up to this target this week, 138. About time, right? 138. So we actually closed the way we wanted to this week. Yeah, my target is 138, as I just mentioned, for the week. And that was the analysis right there in a weekly. And this GG candle, once it flipped bullish, see how it just came up after that. And I never looked back since. So yeah, this is pretty clean. So 138. Once you break above 137, 134, we can look for a buy to like 137, 940. That's probably if this level breaks pretty heavy resistance here, but I'm expecting it to break today. Hourly's gonna close there, so Hourly's gonna leave a nice candle, a nice wick to come down. So yeah, the next candle should tap TP, looking like it. The next candle should just continue up like this. I don't see no reason for it not to continue up here. Should just go up like this.
There is a hourly resistance at right where we are right now.
Yeah, I think that one. Yeah, it is. 4 hours not close in an hour though. Let's see. Yeah, minor resistance here in our hourly. If you look left. But I don't know, this wick right here is what I'm looking at. We were able to push up. Everything broke above here, so I'm looking at like, okay, maybe wick up, tap it, and come back down a little bit. It might struggle here for a little bit, but it should be able to come up So 137, 140. If you guys are new to the streams, and if this is your first stream, hope you guys are enjoying it. Enjoying the piss we're catching here. Yeah. Subscribe, of course. Leave a like. Invite your friends. It's a free stream. Share a stream. Post an Instagram story. Cause streams are free, guys. Every piss are free. Oh, I forgot my coffee. Shit, hold on. Damn, that's tough. Hold on, guys. Give me like 2 seconds. Let me just put it on a chart for now. Alright, I finally got my coffee after an hour. What's up? Can I place trade now? Will it be a good option? No, it would not be a good option because we're at a minor resistance if you look left here. And this trade was based off the fact that this trade, guys, was only valid at this point once it broke this high here. Like buys for me from where I entered. We're only valid here. If you're looking for entries now, it's gonna be a completely whole new trade. And it might not be the best idea here because if you look left, like I said, there is resistance here. See this level. See how this red line is where price is right now, right? If you look at these levels, you have this like rejection level right here. So you be careful of that. And your stops, I mean, you could enter, but it wouldn't be the best idea because you're at minor resistance. You don't have much advantages for yourself, right? When I entered down here, I had this advantage up here where I can move my stops entry, close half here, close another half at this level. Because I knew that I saw these levels of resistance, and I knew that there were gonna be places where price might struggle at. So I used that to my advantage, for me to secure profits and do good stuff, right? But if you enter here, you don't have much because if you look left, it's just gonna be clean to there. But this is already a level of resistance here. I mean, I'm not saying you can't enter. It's still a probable trade. It's just that just be careful of that resistance level. It wouldn't be the best idea. I'll say if you missed the buys already, I'll say wait for buys above 137, 140. Because if GG breaks that level today, it's probably gonna pop for up to like 137, 940. So, yeah.
Some USD news at 8:30.
Oh, there's news today.
Yeah, a bunch of news for the Euro, USD,
Strange. Hold on, I'm just posting something.
I'm gonna pay attention to gold.
I think gold's gonna continue down.
See how it reacts. Yeah, it looks like it.
So like, I think earlier I mentioned 1931. If 1947 breaks, we're gonna head down to that
200
level.
pips.
That's fat, yeah. That's fat pips. That's 160 pips, dude. Holy shit. Yeah, some news today. 8:30 USD news. Pound news at 7. Yen news at 7:30. Damn, GG's gonna be a nice. It's gonna be a nice Asian session maybe. Some minor news here and there.
I don't know, bro. There's news.
Yesterday.
Today. Yes. Yeah. Yesterday. And it did do shit.
What's the DXY going to do here? Well, you can send me a nice chart breakdown of what you see and we think's gonna happen. Nice label chart with nice labels, tell me what you see, and then I'll look over it and I'll let you know what I see. The reason why I don't look at all these pairs is because I'm focused on GG right now, and that's all I'm focused on. Yeah, you can post links in here, but you can't post the full Telegram. Like, if you're sending it on TradingView, just read the description because you have to post it a specific way, and on the description it shows you how. Can't believe people were selling gold yesterday, dude. Oh Lord, Lord have mercy. Uh, 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 uh. Yeah, it's kind of tough, in the situations like this. It's kind of boring, just watching a runner. Like usually runners with me, if I wasn't streaming, honestly, I would have closed like my positions here at 14 pips earlier. I would have just watched up to there, and then from here it's just like I'm just gonna let it run whatever it does. Like I wouldn't rewatch this to be honest. This is just kind of like where I would just go back to bed or something if I weren't streaming. Something I'll do probably. First name ever, last name greatest.
Bro, I didn't know that it was a mixtape that was dropping. I thought it was like just a track.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's a whole mixtape. Cause like they didn't really, bro. They haven't
No,
they haven't posted a single or anything yet though. So I don't know. It might be a single. I don't know. Cause that
no, they're gonna.
like
No,
that,
I think they're gonna drop a music video like when it drops. And album drops. Well, no, because Academics just posted that it's a tape.
so you don't think so the album's gonna drop tonight? Cause like I thought they were gonna post
Oh yeah, tonight. Oh yeah.
I thought they were gonna drop a pre-hit like a pre
No, bro, they don't need that.
yeah, they don't still.
They
It
don't need
might be album of the year. It might sell like 500K, bro. It
Future
could.
and Uzi both already dropped this year.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Bro, that's like Drake Future levels. Like
Mhm.
that's a big ass collab.
Imagine it was Young Thug, Future, and Uzi. Holy shit.
That would be nutty.
Came from the bottom, down below. I can't listen to Roddy Ricch no more, bro. So cringe.
Nah,
I liked his album when it was like I liked his last like when he dropped. He was too like he's becoming a Travis Scott now, bro.
Yeah.
Like when he dropped like Feed the Streets too, that was fine. But now it's just like, after his last album, I can't listen to his music like that.
Feed the Streets 1 and 2 are pretty far.
Mhm. My boy he went to my old school. After
Sean
shit.
told me about that.
Yeah, pretty crazy
Them
stuff.
beats.
He produced
Wait,
XXX.
did you go to school with Sean?
Yeah,
Oh shit.
same high school. Pull up to yeah, guys. I think TJ is breaking the oh it hasn't closed yet. 15 might close bearish here. Yeah, so remember the Manohar Shetty. Remember how I told you that you might get some type of rejection at this level, and I would suggest taking a bias here. This is why, because you have this rejection now. I think buys above here would be good though. Once you actually break above, that would be good. But then the range won't be that big. Actually,
Damn, bro, nobody else hopped on.
yeah, I don't know.
I
I know
thought
where
Jay was gonna hop.
I don't
I
know where
see Jay
Jimmy's at.
typing in the thing. Yo, what happened to Q-Son, bro?
He's a Fortnite player.
Like he streams Fortnite.
Nah, no, he just doesn't really stream. He doesn't really trade as much anymore. Don't know what happened.
Damn.
He fell off. I'm joking.
Fell off, bro.
Man, fell off, dude. Shit. Some people are wondering, well, you just gonna sell off? Not yet. Still bullish. Obviously this was expected though. This level of resistance was expected to reject because we had some nice resistance here. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna form resistance. So what you can do is you can wait for this resistance to form, which it did. Now all you gotta do is wait for that support to form. And where's the next support? Potentially it could be here at this level. So now you have a range. So what can happen is you could just come down a little bit, like so, continue down, and then once you actually get a nice support formed and held, because like you can't answer off a bearish candle obviously. You didn't wait for a bullish candle closure. So maybe something like this. Buys when it breaks the high or something. Like this. When it breaks the high of this. Or if it just closes bullish as support. Let's say for example, for instance like that. Then you can enter buys here coming out to this, retesting the highs, and then once it retests the highs, it's probably going to continue up further, like so, and then like so. Because like this last 1 hour candle could close bearish, because the 4 hours have a nice wick fill. You know, you had these candles right here, 1, 2, 3. This is a fourth candle. Obviously, this candle is going to come back bearish, right? So that the next 4 hour candle is going to look like this. It's going to look like this after. And then you can have a nice wick fill in the 4 hour time frame going up bullish. And then we're going to break this level of resistance and continue up. So that's how wick fills work. Whatever I just drew there on a smaller time frame equals this one big candle on a bigger time frame. That's all that is. That's why I say whenever price retests as high a second time around, it usually breaks it. Because what happens is it does this. On a bigger time frame, it's just a wick. On a 4 hour time frame, it's just a wick. So yeah, guys, my runner is still going here. If you guys enjoyed the stream, leave a like. Leave a like for all these pips we're catching today. Good stream, you know, good stream. Hop on the trade at around 6:48, and literally from there we just have a runner. Pretty blessed. You know, they didn't have to do much today. That's all that you had to do. Enter the buy, stop the entry, manage it, and then now it's kind of just chill. Trying to chill. Got chill now for a little bit. Can't reinforce anything though. No more entries for me for a day. This is all that I'm answer off of. Third piss is enough for me, man. Third piss is way more than enough. I'll take third piss any day of my life and call it a day.
Yeah.
That's an amazing day. Because if this trade hits TP, this is like a 4% trade, 5% trade, pretty good. You know, times like this, I just want to pull up Warzone, start running on the stream, you know. But I can't. I can't, man. Yeah, remember when Roger used to stream Warzone?
Yeah.
Yo, don't
This guy
kill
would
me,
dead
bro.
ass stream.
Don't kill me, fam. I just be like, yo, this guy is ass.
What are you doing?
He was a bot, bro. Literally,
He was a bot,
ADSing down the hole, bro. I have him as a friend on the COD too.
bro. This guy probably just got so scarred from Warzone that he had to run League of Legends now.
For real, not even League of Legends, Dota. It's
Wait,
his.
what is
It's
it?
more of his game. It's more of his game though.
What is it?
Dota. It's like League of Legends. Since then,
So I don't
it's
know
pretty
this.
popular too. I don't play it though. It's not my type of game at all.
Nah, I know you play that low key.
Low key, fam. That's why I wake up late sometimes. I see running it.
Bro, I think you throw 10. Bro, I think 10 is
Apparently, I
10
got
is the
better.
ultimate bot.
Nah, apparently, got better.
This
Like
guy's
apparently,
like
like
the
people,
1-1
when he plays a random, people follow him now. I'm
Oh,
not.
for real?
I'm gonna message him and see if we can play some Warzone. Let me see.
Yeah, that'll be lit. Run trios with you Roger, Ted.
What's up,
Run trios
bro?
with you
I
Roger,
can't. I
Ted.
will not, bro. Raja's KD. I have him as a friend on the game. His KD is like
Bro,
.36
I
or
think Roger's
something,
better
bro.
than Ted.
I don't know, bro.
That's why Ted's like
I'm
40
gonna find
years
out.
old.
I'm gonna message Ted right now. Find out.
Yo, what's your KD, bro?
I bet I should be like, yo, run it, Ted. I think Pierce should be down. We're supposed to link up before the virus. Remember that?
What?
Me and Ted?
Oh, yeah, yeah. I
We were
remember
supposed
that.
to link up, but he said wait for after. And then, I guess. Well, we're still.
Bro, I was hella hyped for that.
Well, if you're still down, I can message him again. We can still chill out with him. But I'm just like,
Yeah,
what are we gonna?
that'd be
He
fire.
wanted to get lunch. Like,
That's
I don't
actually
know.
crazy that he just like.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy, right? It's like, you know.
But that was like, cause it wasn't like just cause you're like just some random person though. He had to have seen what you were doing.
Nah, I didn't stream at the time. Actually, I did stream at the time. It was like back in March.
But
Yeah.
like, wouldn't he have like he wouldn't just do that to just like a random like you know?
Cause I talked to him. I need to talk to him off. Like I'm telling you, often.
Like you should message him.
Yeah, like every day.
Sure.
15-minute bat pattern with the head and shoulder 4-hour 20 SMA. I don't know what you see, bro, but all I see is that if you look left, there's a minor resistance here, and if once we break this gray box here, we're gonna continue up further to the next zone. That's all that is. You see, you don't have to do any of that extra stuff, bro. All you gotta do, look left. There's traffic here. Above here, bias to this next level. That's all that is. Whatever you see in my chart is all I use. There's no special indicators, no templates, no systems, no, whatever it is. I can't see your link, bro. You gotta follow the thing. I can't see your link, bro. You have to post it as the trading view thing. But yeah, I don't really use any indicators or anything, guys. Whatever you see in my chart is all I use. Yellow lines and gray boxes. Sometimes green lines for buy stops. Sure, yes, but other than that, that's how I use. Trading is very simple, man. Keep it simple. Don't make it more complicated for it. Cause trading's already hard, but don't make it hard for yourself. You don't need to do all the extra stuff, guys. Trust me. Trust me. I've been using indicators before. I've used systems before. I was an Ichimoku god at one point. Like, I've used everything in the book, I think. Everything that all these gurus teach out here, and then now this is all I do. Just simple. I've learned about ranges. I learned how to trade a range. I learned how to avoid ranges, which ranges to trade, which ranges not to trade, what ranges are good, which ranges aren't good, and which sessions are volatile. When is it going to be volatile? When is it going to move? When is it not going to move? How to know if it's clean traffic, looking left, all that is on the course. But, I wouldn't get to the point where I am now if I didn't go through all those strategies first, to be honest with you. Cause that, yeah, once you go through a lot of strategies, you're gonna keep like switching up until you find like the right one that's more consistent, consistent for you. And in this case, this is most consistent for me. 8:30. How's gold looking? Yeah, so gold for me, like I said, if we were to break below 1947, we're gonna continue down. But if we respect this level here at 1947, we're probably gonna continue back up to retest the highs at 1965. Bro, it's so weird saying 1965 for gold and like 1900s for gold now.
Yeah, that's crazy.
When I started, it was at 1200. I mean, yeah, 1200. Just imagine if you bought like an ounce of gold.
I wake up like,
Bruh.
gang.
The man, the myth, the legend.
Jimbo,
Starting at power forward, 260 pounds.
Are you ready to rumble?
265.
Jimbo FX. Yo, go back to the intro of today to when I started talking, and you'll see the intro that we had today. It was pretty lit. Jimbo, go back. Pretty lit intro. So me, Sam had a nice intro. I had a nice intro.
26 likes. 26
Bro,
likes.
not right. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like we give more pips than likes today. Like that's not even fair. I'm gonna take back 3 pips. So, guys, enter a sell here on GJ. Stop last 3 pips here. Like come on, guys. You guys got like a lot more likes than that, man.
Oh shit.
Bro, we need a starting center lock.
What's up?
We need our starting center lock.
Starting at center position. Lock's not that tall though. He's like 5'6", 5'11", 6'1", 6 foot actually. Not even 6'1".
He's a beast in the paint.
I don't think he plays ball, bro. I think he plays shit. I forgot where he plays. I don't think he even plays anything.
Lacrosse.
I think
That's
he's just
good. That's a fire ass intro.
Which one? The point guard stuff?
Not yours.
No, go like the point guard stuff. Like for when I started talking, like when the intro ended, and I started talking. Can you suggest in USD? Send me a label chart and I'll look at the chart for you, and I'll tell you what I think. But you gotta send me a label chart what you see. For me, put in work, guys. You gotta put in the work too. But other than that, I'm just gonna look at GJ. But once you send me a chart, I'll look at it. People don't send charts in here. I don't know why.
Yeah, you should get in the habit too of just.
Cause no one sends it, so people don't really catch a trend, or they don't know what I mean. Maybe they might be new to this stuff, but yeah, if Sam sends a chart right now, I'll give you an example. Or if someone sends a chart right now, I'll give you an example of what I'll do with the chart. Like a chart of a trade that you didn't take yet, or you're taking right now. But don't send me a chart that you took already and just to flex. Like I don't care about that stuff. Like I don't care that you caught like 3rd pips today. What I care about is giving you feedback. And if I can't give you feedback on stuff that you already did. It doesn't work like that. So if you take a stop loss, send me a chart. Take something, send me a chart.
I'm mad as hell. My freaking GJ slipped my freaking buy limit by a few points. I am freaking deceased.
You woke up hell late, bro.
Bruh.
Bro, where you have your buy limit at?
Bruh, my buy limit was at 136.50. Bruh, it hit 136.
Ooh.
What's that? 63 and then dipped. Oh my god. I would have been off as hell. Sorry.
Oh, that's a nice.
Dang, I had it right at where I thought it would fully retrace and then just shoot, but it slipped it by that much, man. I would have been up damn near.
Wait, you weren't up for London?
I was asleep at like 12 after I got done working on stuff. I would have been up 90 pips. Oh my god.
Head and shoulders. Yeah. So let me give you some more head and shoulders. Here. Let me tell you some of that. All right. You don't have to make it too complicated for yourself. Head and shoulders, I know what it is. Obviously, I've done it before. It's literally this, right? This is head and shoulders. You have this. This is random, but like I'm just drawing randomly, but this is head and shoulders, right? So if you guys notice, here, let me actually draw it up here. This right here Oh my God. Here it is. Dun, 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 dun. This, right? That's head and shoulders, right? What it is, guys, that's all that is. You have structure. Um, you have like, okay, so you have that structure. Let's say you have like a range first, actually. You have a range, right? And then you have structure, brown color, right? And then you have continuation. And then what happens after? You have a bearish can come back in range. So head and shoulders, this is all that is. So this would be your left shoulder, and this would be your head, right? And then as price, the reason why you have a right shoulder is when price breaks the low coming back into range. For example, what the move that I call in my book a fake out, right? Fake out, why? Because one, we had a resistance here, and now we have a support. So this is the range, right? We broke out the range, we had a head, and then now we're coming back into range here. Oh shit, gold news. Hold on, let me just.
Gold's moving.
Right, let me just finish this. Yeah, let me just finish this. So, I guess you're cutting me off, Sam.
Yeah, my bad.
No, I'm joking. But, where is that? So, pretty much, if you guys look at it, it's when price is breaking. So you have this. Price had a range. We broke out the range, this candle, and then this kind of comes back inside of the range, meaning that this is the resistance that was made earlier, the range, broke out, now turns support because we broke out the range, right? Now this is support. Price comes back in the range, breaks that support, comes down to the next level of the range, which is down here. So that's why you have this right shoulder now, because that you see, if you look left on this right here, on the head and shoulders, you have this range. This is the range. Those between those blue lines, and as price breaks above it, this is when price breaks above it from here to there. After price breaks back inside, which is that, which is this, and after price may just come up like this to retest those highs, and then make that retest the top of the range, and then continue back down bearish, because now that it broke support, it's gonna continue back down, right? So now this is what head and shoulders is. This is all that is. It's just pretty much like price breaking out of range and then coming back into range, filling it, and then continuing down further. So that's why you see head and shoulders usually dropping down. Like whenever you have this head and shoulders, price usually comes back down like this. So this is all that is. Pretty much a breakout of range and then coming back into range and continuation to a downtrend. But all that is just support and resistance, man.
Why are people talking about selling GA?
What's up?
People are talking about selling GA already. Bruh, do you not see, like, why?
I don't know,
Oh
man.
my god.
I don't know, man.
I can't.
I don't know,
can't,
man.
bruh. People talking about
I don't know, man.
swinging a gold cell.
You know.
Oh,
I don't know, man. People calling gold cells already till like 1907, 1903, 19 this, 1918, 17 this, 17 that. I've heard it.
1925.
Just ask yourself, like, I like, this is why I ask myself. Here, I'll show you this.
1925. Let's see how far it is. That is. But is that ass trying to swing at 1925 gold cell? Alright.
This is what I wonder, bro.
200.
This is what I wonder.
Oh my god. What's going on in their mind? What's going on?
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Literally what I wonder, bro.
I wonder.
Oh.
Yo. What is going on in their head?
This is what I wonder.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Yo. Literally like what I wonder when people just say these big targets, like how does that make sense,
Makes 0 cents.
Like it's just like, dude, like look at all the levels you have to break to come down to that level. You gotta break. First of all, for us to go down, we need to break 1947. From there, you have clean traffic down to this target, 1931, and that's being logical, right? This is on a bigger time frame. But when you start saying like something like this, when people start doing this in their charts, this is when it gets crazy. This is the crazy part. People actually do this. Gold's gonna come down to here because you have a double top here. Boom. They're gonna be like down to this level here at the support, and it's just like you have this support, 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 you have look at all those levels you gotta break. So why does it just make sense to just come down like that? How are you gonna predict all these prices come down there when these levels aren't gonna break? And we haven't had one bearish candle daily closure yet. Like if today closes bearish, maybe we can come down tomorrow to like 1910. But like for that to happen, we gotta break below 1931, and for that to happen, we gotta break below 1947.
I think 1930 is like next reasonable target.
Yeah.
Nah.
100%.
Yeah.
And 1931, 100%. Cause it's like a fake out. He coming back in that range type thing.
But I see it filling that 1941 wick, that real long one, and then
Yeah.
working its way down.
If you get like a forward closure here, like this, guys, you can probably pop down. Like this, you can probably pop down like this on the next candle, coming down to 1931. But buys, if this level gets respected, 1947, and we go up back bullish, then you can get buys above. Up, but 1947 has to get respected for a price to go up. But selling GJ, that's just different. That's like, right now, it's like, I don't know, man. There's literally like no resistance until 137, 140 on a bigger time frame. With daily time frame has no weekly time frame has no resistance as well till 138. It's pretty clean to go up.
138. Is it 138 day?
This is my no, I don't know about today. Actually, maybe today, yeah, maybe 137, 994. If 137, 140 breaks, you can get buys into 138.
Buying momentum keep continuing.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yo,
USD news is hella positive.
Oh.
News came positive.
Right. Hey, bruh, you know what's funny?
What's up?
So, alright. So, tell me why. This girl said GJ and U30 move a negative, right? But if you look at the charts, while FOMC was happening, when US30 dropped, GJ dropped after.
Mhm.
And then she kept trying to argue. I'm like,
You know what? But yo, here's like you told her why though? You explain to her why?
I told her why. I said yen is a safe haven for
Yeah.
US. So basically, if US messes up, yen falls with it.
No, wrong. Yeah, I think you got that wrong. If whenever the US falls, people put their money towards the yen, meaning that the yen goes up, meaning that GJ goes down, because GJ, GP, JPY. I think that's what you mean, right? Yeah. So like, for example, when US30 falls and shits itself, people put their money towards gold, the yen, safe haven pairs, right? Meaning that gold, yen go up. So when gold, yen go up, GJ falls down because pound, JPY, the secondary pair of that currency. So that's why GJ drops with US30.
Alright.
Yeah.
I remember that. Cause yo, she did ass said like it moving negative correlation. I'm like, no, young Padawan. No.
Yeah, they move together. Majority of times.
Majority. Yeah,
But,
I told her majority of the time.
like right now, it might not move together, but when there's news that hits, that's when you see the real like correlation. Like just it's not a complete drop with US30.
Yo, that whipsaw in gold yesterday was crazy.
Oh, after 1980.
Yeah.
Mhm.
It dropped. Dropped. I'm like, what the hell? This shit lit as hell.
It literally tapped 1980. Just
Yeah, that shit was crazy. Crazy lit, bro.
This trade this is the longest runner of a minute on the stream. Literally like 6:30 took a trade. Ever since then, just chilled.
Oh, what happened at the first trade?
Oh, so the first trade, what happened was I got in down here, down here. Where is it, Sam? 6:30. Oh, gun right here, right?
Yeah.
30 minute is bullish, right? Kind of 30-minute candle right here.
Yeah.
So what happened was, my original stop loss was a 30-minute low, but then as price broke the 15-minute low, I got out. After I said to myself, okay, I'm getting out here, guys, and I'm gonna wait till price breaks the high to get back in, and that's what I did. Cause like if it broke a low, I usually just get out of the trade anyways, right?
Gotcha.
Like every single time I'll do it. So yeah, that's what happened. But 6 pips, then 30 pips, not bad.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty good for
Bruh,
me,
whoever complained about the 6 pip loss, you suck. I gonna lie.
bro.
You a real trader? I gonna lie. This I left the stream. Came back.
100%.
Oh
It
my
went to a different stream.
god. You saw 30 plus.
Oh man, I gotta edit a video today, bro.
Oh brother.
I don't like
Lit.
editing videos. It's kinda annoying. I'm gonna lie.
Yeehaw. Alright. But yo, my intro was pretty high, right?
What's up?
My intro I put in the live stream chat was pretty high, right?
Oh yeah, you're on some Trey Monty stuff, bro. Dun, it's.
Bruh. Telling you. I gotta get myself hype at 2:30 in the morning, bro. I didn't wanna steal the drip.
What drip?
Your drip, bro.
Oh, wait, is that your intro for streams, like starting soon, or just like
Starting
intro?
soon.
Oh,
Yeah. I'll get people hype, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
It just sounds a lot like Monty. Like, is it copyright free? I'm gonna play it right now.
Huh? It's copyright free.
Are you sure? I'm blaming it on you.
It's off the Windows. It's off the Windows
Alright.
thing.
I'll play it. Hold on.
Windows video editor. All right, top secret. But yeah, it's called Arcade Party. Shit, fire.
Oh, it's copyright free music.
I think so. Cause this is off the video editor, built on Windows. I just chose Arcade Party because it sounded like the best. You know how much sample music I had to listen through, bro? Like, my head was hurting, but I was lit though.
I think I'm gonna meet with Ted. Me and Sam are playing it here.
It's just like,
You come if you're from Toronto, but
psych. Two,
Here you
it's only 2 spots.
Hey guys, this is Jimmy's thing.
Oh shit.
It's 1, 2, 3, yeah. Oh. Yo, if my shit gets taken down, I'm suing you.
Like, I'm suing you, bro. You're revealing a whole freaking company, bro. I ain't ready yet. Like,
When did you like to reverse again?
Are you sure about that?
You said when?
Oh, when? Oh.
I don't know. All I know, guys. Here.
TJ is gonna most likely reverse when you see
Here's your job.
hourly candle close super bears.
Tan. Here's how to make your life easier. You see the trend, right? It's bullish. Just look at that trend. It's bullish, right? So, try not to catch the reverse. Try not to look for a reverse and just follow the trend.
Yeah.
On a smaller time frame, look for entries. Coming up to the next logical. You see the trend, right? It's bullish. Look for buys to the next logical area as well. Where's the next logical area is done? Next logical areas are going to be on a daily time frame. These levels. These levels. So now you go on a smaller time frame. Look for buys coming up to those low targets up to there, like I did this morning. And that's all that is. That's all you gotta do. But when you start looking for reversals, like, try and catch a reversal and try and catch a huge 1,000 pip move down or something, that's when you start to lose money. Because you try and catch a reversal on a bullish market. So instead of trying to catch a reversal, just follow the trend and take little steps towards the next targets. That's your job. Your job is not to come in first place, like I said, not to come in first place and not to predict the next predict the next reversal areas or the next big move or whatever coming down. That's not your job. Because when you follow that job, you're most likely to blow a.
Wait, what'd you say? Because your mic cut off.
Yeah, so whenever you try to call reversals, it might not be good for the long run. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, calling reversals isn't the greatest thing to do in the markets, especially because everything's a trend, bro. And a trend isn't going to change within one 15-minute candle on a round time frame at round time of the day. Like, you're not going to see GJ reversing on a Thursday at 2 p.m. or, whatever it is. Like, the trend is still bullish. And it's obviously not going to reverse at the New York opening right here. It's not going to reverse. Daily time frame is bullish, right? For us to reverse, I'll show you guys what reverse was. You can start looking for sells on a bigger time frame when this happens. When you have like, boom, rejection, bearish candle closure, right? And then, boom. See the difference between the two? Would you rather sell off of this or sell off of these coming down to these levels? Because this is when you know a trend is reversing, when this happens. See? So obviously you're gonna have to wait for bearish candles to come down, but until then we're bullish heading up. But yeah, that's my best tip for you, bro. Try not to catch a trend, bro, because it's not good for a long run. Calling tops and bottoms. I think gold's gonna continue down here, bro.
Yep. 1950. Sheesh.
I think, yeah, 4 hours on closer. We gotta close below 1947 though. Below there would be very, very, very
I
clean.
highly see it.
Yeah.
4-hour fill at 1945. Then it hits to 1941. And then, if selling Winston keeps continuing.
Confusing some people advise not to be chasing like uptrends, downtrends. Well, like, I've been there at a point where I've traded a reversal. I've tried to catch reversals. I've called tops and bottoms. Seeing double top, look for sells on a bullish market. It's just for me personally, out of 10 trades, probably only 3 of them probably play out with calling reversals. Like, I'm just thinking in general, right? And if you're just continuing a trend, I'll say probably 7, 8 times out of 10, it will play out. Because you're following a trend. You have a higher chance, the trade has a higher chance of playing out when you're following a trend than when you're going against a trend. Just think about it. It's like common sense. What's that analogy you have, Jimmy, in the hood?
Oh, yeah. If just say like this thing of it like this, y'all. All right. So say if a Crip neighborhood, right? Bullish market, and you try to be a blood. What you think finna happen to your ass if Crips catch you like in the corner store? Your ass is finna get killed, or your ass is you finna get beat up.
How about analogy for people that don't understand that language?
Oh, this thing of it like this. All right. So let's say if what is the analogy? All right. So say if you're a suburban dude, right? And you're on the wrong side of town, right? And people don't notice you a lot, right? You're gonna get beat up because they don't know you. So why would you go on the other side, the bad side of town, and not just stay in the good side of town?
Here. Yeah, so, for example, KFC versus Popeyes. You buy KFC, you go into Popeyes. What's going to happen? They're going to kick you out. They don't want KFC food in Popeyes. Same thing for this trend. You're buying on a bearish trend. What's going to happen? The market's going to kick you off the charts. There's the analogy.
You're gonna get kicked out. You're gonna get sent out of Toe Drum Island, man.
Hold so just 2 candles will make a reversal. They break the low. No, that was just a little like just in general, just a little example there. Like it's not. There's nothing in Forex. It's like 2 candles, boom. 2 candles, buy. Like, it's nothing in Forex is like is that easy to a point where candles are different every day. You have to think of it that way. Like candles are never gonna print the same exact thing as it did yesterday. There's never one time in history where candles print the exact same candle over and over again. Never. Everything happens once. And it's just similar, but it's not the exact same every time.
Yeah.
So, Yeah, nothing for. That's why I don't trust. I don't believe in fibs. I don't believe in trend lines. Like it's just like it's not as easy as saying price bounce off a fib, buy. Price bounce off this trend line, buy or
Fine.
sell. You know, I don't believe in that.
RSI area right here.
Yeah, like
Boom.
price bounce is 200 EMA. It's not as easy as looking at it like that. You know, like buy or sell at these
Gold is
different levels.
melting, bro.
Yep, gold
Yep,
is melting.
It's going for a 4-hour wick fill. Oh, done. I already hit that. Now it's going for D. That news candle. It's going for that 1941.50 for sure.
Like-
Bye bye.
Like for example, look at GJ here. You know, you have this you have this huge bullish trend, right? And then you have these bearish candles here. You have three bullish candles, 3 bearish candles. But what do you see? So reading candles, what do you see? This is what a lot of people don't see. This is the daily, right? I think I mentioned this on Sunday. This is a daily time frame. These 3 candles, if I were to highlight this area, just focus on this. If I were to block out everything else, right? Block out all this. Focus on this. What do you see here? You see 1 bearish candle. Next candle came down, respected the high. Came down to the next level of support. Gets down there, whatever it is, right? But within these 6 bearish candles, on the weekly time frame, it equals to the 1 big bullish candle like this with a nice wick fill. Like this. This is what it leads to. A nice wick fill. And then the next bullish candle, which is this week, is gonna fill that wick continuing up. And that's exactly what happened on GG this week. Right? If you look at the weekly, if these counts right here lead up to this. Look at the weekly. Exact same thing I just drew out. Wick fill coming up. And we filled that wick and now we're continuing up. So you gotta understand, like, I guess reading structure, reading candles on every single time frame. And yeah, you kinda just gotta put everything together. Like nothing's just as easy as just going on a smaller time frame and just basing off of a fib respecting or like a trend line respecting in a certain area. I use every single time frame. Daily, weekly, monthly. This trade alone was based off the daily, 4-hour, 1-hour, 30-minute, and 15-minute. All those time frames combined. Yeah, man. I don't know. Like head and shoulders, like I don't really mess with all that stuff. EMAs, I don't really mess with all that stuff. For example, gold. You know, gold's been bullish. It's still bullish technically right now, but once it breaks below like 1941, you see how you have bullish candles here. When was the last bearish candle you had? It's been 2 weeks. Bullish, 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 bullish. This candle is finally bearish, and then if this candle breaks the low, because look, all of those have been respected. Boom, respected, 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 respected. So once the candle breaks this low, we're going to turn it back down to like 1931, and eventually further down, maybe. But that's kind of how like a trend works, you know. Until you actually see bearish candle, instead of trying to predict the next bearish candle, you should just actually wait for the next bearish candle, and then take sells. But when you try and take sells on a bullish candle, it just doesn't make any sense at all. Whenever you use the pattern play out, you should follow it. You move 65 minutes. Jimmy, you taking any trades there?
I'm looking at you here now. It's look up late, so I'm just waiting.
Oh man.
Hourly battle goes bearish, but
How did
four
US
hours still
30 do?
bullish.
You start to move. Yeah. 4 hours on closer. Yeah, so I'm not really worried about this 1-hour candle. I think it might just be a 4-hour wick fill, you know. 4 hours on have a nice bullish candle closure above these ranges, and as far as I'm expecting the next candle to just pop up, kind of like it did yesterday. At 9 a.m. just popped up. So something like this probably. Same thing as remember the example I just told you guys. The weekly time frame on GJ. In the daily, those three bearish candles after the following three bullish candles. Same thing here. You have a bearish candle on a 1 hour time frame, but the 4 hour is still bullish. It's on close here. So this wick it had to be made somehow. So it had to be made within the last hourly of the 4 hour candle, which is the hourly candle. So the hourly candle is bearish right now. So as long as price expects down here, this level down here, 136 400, we should be pushing up further on a 4 hour time frame. Yo, Sam.
Yo,
Ted said when we have group gatherings again.
we have group gatherings.
Yeah.
What does that even mean?
Like when thing lets us have group gatherings.
Oh, like Corona?
Yeah. Actually, are we allowed to have group gatherings already? I swear we're allowed to already, no? Or
No,
from
like
Trump?
you're allowed to, yeah. Bruh. No, but like, does he mean like for like in-person like meetup or something with like other people or?
I don't know, bro. I know.
Bro,
Pretty sure
just tell him that we're gonna reach his crib.
Neck. It's a Saga. That's in like Saga. That's in like
Bro, that's how
North
close to my
York.
house.
He's like north. He's like Shepherd in Young area or something
Bridle
like that.
path.
Near Essentials. I'm pretty sure he lives in those Essential buildings, condos. His house is there.
To go.
Swinging versus scalping. I'll say, honestly, swinging you can follow the exact same whatever I do on a higher time frame on a day because counts are all the same on every time frame. 15 minute, 1 minute, 30 minute. You know, they all respect each other. If they don't, they usually come back in range or whatever. Same thing for every other time frame. You know, the weekly analysis is based on the fact that counts are closing bullish and respecting lows, and we should continue up here. Clean traffic. Same thing for the 15 minute. You had clean traffic earlier. It's the same. It's all the same then. You know, like on the 15 minute, I can say that we're gonna pop down here to this target. Cause look, we broke below this low. We had a support being made. We broke below that low, and now we're gonna pop back down to around these targets. Then the hourly candle is gonna close bearish to here. So then meaning that the 4 hours I have a wick fill from here to go up. But yeah, I'll say like all time frames, regarding the candles are the same. There's no like, there's nothing special with like different time frames of candles.
What still amazes me is that a freaking camera company acquired the biggest federal like ejection. Like what the hell, bro?
Wait, what? That was a
Kodak.
Kodak share.
Yeah,
Wait, what did it do? What happened with it?
they gave these folks 765 million for the cure, but they don't even do medicine. What the hell does
Wait,
Kodak have
what?
to do with
For the
medicine?
for the career for Rona?
Yeah.
What?
What? What the hell did they know about freaking Corona?
Bro, what?
Hey, goddamn picture company. Camera company. I feel like cutting right now. What does Lady Gaga have to do with pictures?
That's hella weird.
That is weird, bro.
How would they like even? I guess they just like
I don't know.
They're just like, fuck it. Like, we're not selling cameras. We might as well just like find a vaccine.
Nah, they're taking pictures of the freaking doctors while they trying to find. Oh, they want to convert a camera company into a freaking.
I mean,
medical
hey, bro,
company.
you gotta adapt.
Hold on, we could add positions at that level. You show that price will reverse and go up again. Careful though, because look, you don't have that much range to go up. You have like till this range. You have this range right here, right? From there to there. So it's not like if your stops will have if you're answering based off the 4 hour candle alone, your stops will have to literally be below 4 hour low. And look how big the stops are compared to the target level. It's not worth it. You're gonna have a negative risk to reward. I would maybe suggest just waiting for an actual breakout of this 137, 140 on like the 1 hour time frame, a 30-minute time frame, or a 15-minute time frame on a smaller time frame to go out bullish. Above there would be nice buys, but this is a level of resistance here, and price may struggle from here to the next target, like here to 137, 134. But my daily target is still gonna be like up here, looking left, 137, 140, and eventually 137, 940 if 137, 140 breaks today. So just like stacking positions for me, I'll wait until we break above this level here. They got a 750 million loan to convert into the.
Gold 4 hour just goes bullish.
Oh, yeah, I respected that support.
Yeah.
I respect that support. Never broke below it. You're starting your hands. You're starting your hands. And looks like it's gonna come down. Look at the daily time frame. Yeah, 1 hour close bearish here on GJ. So yeah, like I said, we did tap this level of support. So we had this resistance here, and we did tap this level of support here. So now you have like a range type thing. This is your range, right? So price, what you need to happen now? Actually, let me go on a smart time frame. 30-minute. You have this range here. So we're looking for buys now. You're gonna have to wait for the support to be respected. 136.796 has to be respected, and you need a bullish candle closure as support here to go up. You can't really enter any buys here just yet. Go up like this. But we really need that bullish candle support here to show us that this support is gonna be held. Because until we get a bullish candle support, we're probably gonna pop further down. So we really need the support to be held here. But yeah, this trade, bro, fuck. This runner's been going since 6:30. So, you know, I'm just streaming right now, so I'm watching it. But usually I wouldn't be watching it like this for runners. The thing with intraday is you have to expect the day average move in one direction. Okay. Oh.
Damn. I'm so dead. Fucking pilot missed by that much. Motherfucker, dude.
$60 out of 100 trades, I don't think that's good enough. I don't think that's good enough. I think that's the exact number I set for indicators too, because when I used to do indicators, the reason why I stopped using indicators was because I would say 60% of the time it played out, and that wasn't good. That wasn't a good amount. So this trade, the way I trade now, I'll say it's like 80 plus every trade I take. High probability trades. Just reading candles alone. If you've been in the streams long enough, and we took every trade in the streams since March, you'll see it's a 80 plus accuracy rate, hit rate on the streams here. And all we do is just have boxes and yellow lines. That's all that we do. I'm gonna have to put you on time out because this is
Bro, Euro been popping, bro. No cap. Euro just been bullish. And people still try to count tops on it. They do not stop, baby. Euro is on a whole nother level right now, bro.
Your USD, right? Aren't you in buys or
Euro
some shit?
pairs, Euro pairs in general.
Aren't you in like in buys or something?
Hell no.
Yeah, it's straight bullish.
I was just looking at it. Like Euro NZD.
Yeah.
Euro that I'm paying attention to, trying to work on.
What are your thoughts
I'm
on
trying to-
gold? My bad. What you say? Sorry.
I'm trying to work on it.
Yeah. Thoughts on gold? I said already. I said how as long as this level here holds and we actually respect this level, which I think we did. This kind of close bullish. We should be able to push back up to 1965. But if this level breaks, 1947 breaks, we're gonna continue back down here to 1931. Cause it's kind of like in this like little area here. I'll say that yeah. So 1965 could be a very nice target here, if this level of respects here. I'll look for buys on a smaller time frame. Gold just shot up. Would you take a sell at this point since it's a downtrend? Gold's not a downtrend yet. Gold's still bullish. Man. Gold's still bullish, man. Look at it. Did this daily candle break the low yet? It's bearish right now, but this candle has no top wick, meaning that this candle could still flip here. This candle never broke the lows yet. Until it breaks that low and it breaks below 1947, we're going to continue to go up. But once we break this low, we're going to continue to go down here. So it's still an uptrend until it breaks that low. Then you can say that it might come down to these levels down here. But overall, it's still an uptrend no matter what. Even if it does come down to like 1800, 1870, it's still an uptrend on a like higher time frame. But on a day time frame, you can see that if you break this low, it's gonna be coming down to like maybe these levels down here, you know. But it's still an uptrend right now. We didn't break this lows yet. This level is still being respected here. I would not take a sell right now on gold at all. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, 30 minute, it looks like we're gonna pop up to like 1965 here.
Yeah, because that news that just came out.
Hmm.
Oh boy. We're done, bro.
Yeah, bro. No worries, bro. I got you. Just keep asking your questions. Keep sending your charts in. You know, make sure you send your charts in though, so I can just give you some feedback. Oil alert. Oil. What's up with oil, bro? This is Jimmy's favorite pair here.
Hell no, bro.
I think Jimmy, your stalls are still valid from. Oh shit! I think oil is coming down here.
Yeah, oil is about to come down again
Mm-hmm.
because all this, all that news that just came out.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm really look at this pair.
600
What's up?
Give me some sun.
Bro, you sound like you're in a toaster, bro. Are you covering your mic?
What? It sounds good?
Bro, you sound like you're in a
This man
toaster.
laying on the side right now.
Are
Get
you like
up.
laying down or something, bro?
Yo,
This man laying down.
You sound like you're in a toaster, bro.
what?
My man.
Go on to
just laying
YouTube and listen to yourself, bro. You sound like you're in a toaster.
down. My man's just laying down right now on his
man,
side. 9 o'clock in the morning,
How you know that, bro?
bruh.
Yo,
I see you, bruh. Your
That's some
freaking
creepy
cameras
ass
on,
shit.
dude.
Go on to YouTube, bro. Go on to YouTube and fix your mic, bro. That's pretty crazy. You sound like you're in a toaster.
Yo, what it sound like now?
you sound like this, bro. You sound like you're in a toaster, bro.
This man sound like COD. Like the COD announcer, bro.
Yo, I still sound like that?
Yeah. Unplug your mic or something.
I did, bro.
Or plug it in all the way. Like
It's something covering it. Like, what's up? Is it connected to your phone? Like, make sure the audio is connected to your microphone.
Yeah.
There it
Oh,
is.
shit.
See, bro. I even knew the solution to that. I never miss.
No, I didn't change anything.
Oh. I don't know. What happened then? What'd you do?
I just unplugged and plugged it back in for like the third time.
Noise.
Who blessed it?
Hashtag. Bruh,
Geeking.
geeking. I was playing 24-hour shipment. Oh my god, that shit was so lit, bro.
Bro, I dropped
I love
86
it.
kills yesterday on shootouts.
Damn.
That's crazy.
I love shipment, bro. I don't care what no one says. Free camo, free XP. How can you not?
Sent to the gulag. Oh man, that's funny. Oh man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, but oil it's gonna sell again, bro. So much bad USD news gonna come up soon. Get ready, boys. It's gonna be March all over again. I mean, well, beginning of April. All over again. The whole world's about to change.
Yeah, guys. I'm not really looking for any more positions, guys. I might just end the stream very soon. Because nothing much is happening. This is just a runner here. I don't care what happens here. I closed like 75% of my profits already at 30 pips, and now it's just a run to TP or entry. I'm just gonna let it run. It's just a runner, right? You can't. I'm not really gonna stack any positions. I'm not really gonna add any positions. I'm not gonna take any more trades for a day. This is my last trade of the day, probably. The Asian session, maybe. Gold is going to continue going up here to 1965 as expected, and yeah. I think that's all for today, guys. So, if you guys enjoyed the stream, please leave a like. Leave a like for a nice breakdown today, the nice trades today, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. Hope you guys had a great day today, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace. Peace and love. Peace and love.
Easy.
Easy, bro.
Easy, boys.
Catch y'all later.
If it ain't BTO, fuck what you heard.